Managing email campaigns in Salesflare is a breeze, even if you're new to the software. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the essential steps so you can take full advantage of this CRM's powerful email automation features. Stick around until the end, and I'll also share an exclusive way to get Salesflare for free along with some bonuses. First off, you need to understand that Salesflare is designed to simplify sales workflows, and email campaigns are no different. The beauty of this platform lies in how intuitive it is. Let's start with creating an email campaign. Once you're logged into your dashboard, you'll see the email campaign feature clearly on the menu. Clicking it brings you to a page where you can start a new campaign, and that's where the magic begins. In the campaign setup, you'll first choose the type of email you want to send. Salesflare offers both one-time emails and automated drip campaigns, so whether you're sending a quick update or nurturing leads over time, you've got it covered. The email editor is super simple, no HTML knowledge required. You can drag and drop to create the structure you need, and there are pre-built templates that can help you save time. Once your email is created, you'll need to define your audience. You can easily segment your contacts based on various criteria like location, past interactions, or deal stages. This is where Salesflare shines. It's not just about sending emails, but making sure they're targeted and personalized. Personalization can significantly increase your engagement, and Salesflare makes this effortless. You can add custom fields like first names, company names, and even custom details like the last conversation date. After segmenting your audience, you're ready to schedule your campaign. You can choose to send it right away or schedule it for a later time. I recommend testing a few different times to see when your audience is most responsive. The software's intelligent algorithms can even suggest the best time based on previous campaigns, which is a real-time saver. As the campaign runs, you can monitor its performance directly within Salesflare's dashboard. You'll get real-time metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and replies all in one place. This allows you to make quick adjustments if needed, and you can even set up triggers to automatically follow up with people who haven't responded yet. Automation in Salesflare is one of its most powerful features, especially when managing multiple campaigns at once. Now, here's something you might not know. Salesflare also has an advanced feature called lead scoring, which helps you prioritize your leads based on how they're engaging with your emails. So, if you've got a lead that's clicking on your emails and engaging with your content, Salesflare will rank them higher, ensuring you focus on the hottest prospects first. Finally, once your email campaign is wrapped up, you can generate detailed reports to see exactly how your emails performed. The insights from these reports can be used to fine-tune your future campaigns, making each one more effective than the last. The process is fast and efficient, perfect for busy entrepreneurs or marketing teams who need to focus on results rather than wasting time on complicated tools. And remember, you can get started with Salesflare completely for free through the link below. Plus, with our exclusive bonuses, you'll have everything you need to hit the ground running. This is your chance to experience the power of automated email campaigns without any commitment. If you want to get a deeper dive into all the features Salesflare offers, make sure to check out the extended free trial in the description. You'll have the chance to explore all the tools that will help you boost your sales and marketing efforts with ease. Don't forget to click the link below, and I'll see you in the next video where we dive deeper into more ways to use Salesflare for your business growth.